You gotta learn to drive with the fear, Ricky. Oh my eye. Batteries have boobies. Look at that smoke. Don't fall. Don't fall. No insurance. Don't fall. Good one for a ride. How was that? What's going on today, guys? Just waiting for the crew to get out of bed. You guys coming to work or what? You got trucks to fix, bro. All right, fine. You guys can have the day off. Wee bit cold out today. -12. Do a cold start on the old truck before we go to work here. Buddy's got a full load. Getting Hank and Scott's gonna plow us spot up to the truck up there to work on another one. Got 3 here today. We'll go have a watch. Scott, where are you? Wood processor. This is where I'm getting my firewood from. I see. Hi, Scott. Work on a loader, Scott. I gotta get to that one over there. I got a helper today. Just fucking my shit. Remember in trade school when they told you not to use cutting stuff around batteries? Yeah. Yeah, I'm using cutting stuff around batteries. Fucking love power tools. No power tools! These batteries have boobies. Oh no, that's not good. Get out of your home. Oh my god, look at the freaking bulge on these ones. Whew. Let's put them on charge right now and see what happens.
Look at that bulge.
That's a bigger bulge than I got. Pump it. Pump it up, Scotty. Oh yeah, that's good. That's nice. That's nice. You're nice. Yeah. Good job. I don't know if it's gonna start, man. Are you serious? I'm impressed.
Right? Fucking cat motors.
Prime it while I crank it. Yeah. Watch the fan though. I think we might have a runner, Scotty.
I think we do.
What are the odds of that, old girl? Like 4 cranks, a little bit of priming, and back to being alive. Wow. I love old equipment. It's pretty neat. Good old log carrier. There's Hank over there, just, you know, backed up doing his thing. That's a win. That is a win. Next, get 2 more batteries. I think we're gonna try a tow truck next. We're gonna try this with no funnel because I'm lazy. I wonder if this is American summer diesel. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Is it gonna run? It should. I think so. Cheers. Baldwin, just the shittiest filter in the world, but it's free. I'm learning here. where my hands don't want to work with gloves. You know, just get all the shit in the filter you can, right?
Exactly.
Tight so the next guy can't get it off? Yep, perfect. Click. Okay. 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 All right, we're getting somewhere.
Are we?
Okay.
That was some sick fucking smoke.
I got a feeling that this Ford's gonna be broken. Oh, come on. The old ball joint separator 9000. Also the kneecap relocator too.